Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import drawing in IbisPaint X. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we need to open up IbisPaint X. Then from here we can choose my gallery or online gallery. Doesn't matter, I'm going to do my gallery. And now in order to import a drawing, we need to click on the bottom left hand corner of the screen here where it's got that plus icon. And then at the top it says import picture, which is basically import a drawing or whatever. So click onto that. And now here's my drawing inside my download. So I'm going to click onto it. And then it'll say import. If you have imported analog line drawings, you can use extract line drawing filter to make the non-line areas transparent. If you import a photo of a person or object, you can use background removal filter to cut out only the object. So you can do background removal if you like, or exact line drawing, or cancel. I'm going to click on exact line drawing and I'll click tick.